Now let's say I run a business and someone sees my ad in Facebook and they feels interested and they fill out this Facebook lead ads form. So here I'm going to fill it by selecting my service interest as email marketing, and here I'm going to select my best time to contact this evening. Now we just have to click over this continue button, and here I'm going to fill this form. So here I have filled this form providing first name test, last name user, email is test@pabblytunes.com, and here I have entered the phone number, and now I'm going to enter my company name as Pabbly Connect. And now let's click over this continue and submit button for submitting our Facebook lead ads form. And here as my form is submitted, now let's move on towards my Pabbly Chatflow, where I'm going to refresh this page. And here you can see that recently I was having 3 contacts, but now I have 4 contacts. And here you can check out that this is the contact which I have recently created. Here you can check out its phone number, its name, that is test user. So now you have seen that as soon as I have filled my Facebook lead ads form, a contact is created over my Pabbly Chatflow. And now let's move on towards my Slack account, and here you can see that I'm receiving this message which says new lead alert from Facebook. Hey team, a new lead just been captured by Facebook lead ads and successfully added to Pabbly Chatflow, and here you can check out all its details. So now you have seen that as soon as I have filled my Facebook lead ads form, a contact is created over my Pabbly Chatflow and an instant alert is sent to my team inside Slack. So now you can also create this amazing lead generation automation. So now you can also create this automation for any type of business you are running, whether it's service-based business, any e-commerce business, or any online store, real estate business, and many more. This automation is going to be very beneficial for you. And now for creating this automation, you have to access Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an all-in-one automation tool that integrates different applications and automate your work. And for accessing the Pabbly Connect, you have to open the new tab and type its URL, that is pabbly.com/connect. And once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly, where you will see 2 options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you're a new user or logging your account first time over the Pabbly Connect, then you can just click over the sign up free. And if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Connect, you get 100 free tasks every month for practicing and exploring Pabbly Connect. 100 of free tasks means you can save the data of 100 leads in Pabbly Chatflow. And if this automation feels really helpful and you want to buy any of the subscription plans of Pabbly Connect and Pabbly Chatflow, then I have bought this amazing discount coupon code, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy discounts on yearly and lifetime access plans of Pabbly. So before buying any of our Pabbly product, make sure to use this coupon code. But I will suggest you to firstly check out the Pabbly Connect and Pabbly Chatflow, and afterwards you can proceed towards buying our subscription plans. And now if you are an existing user like me, then you can just click over this sign in, and here I'm landed to my all Pabbly apps page, where you can see all these products. And as we are going to create an integration, so I'm going to just access this Pabbly Connect app, and here I'm landed to the dashboard page of Pabbly Connect, where for creating a new workflow, we just have to click over this create workflow button, and here we are getting this option for selecting the workflow builder. So here I'm going to select this newly launched workflow builder beta. So here I'm going to provide my workflow name in this dialog box. So here I'm providing it the name lead generation automation for businesses step by step. Now let me select my folder as automation. Now let's click over this create button, and here we are landed to our workflow page, which is the most important window for creating our automation. So here in this window you can see this option of adding the trigger. Now you might be wondering, what is this trigger? So Pabbly Connect basically works on 2 principles, that is trigger and action. So trigger defines the application which is going to initiate our workflow, and action defines the application where we will be receiving our result. So here I'm going to select my trigger app as Facebook lead ads, as I want to initiate my this workflow as soon as I receive a new lead over my Facebook lead ads. So here I'm going to select it. Now let's select the app event as new lead instant. Now let's click over this connect button, and here I'm landed to the connection page, where if you want to go through your existing connection, then you can select this button of existing connection. And for building a new connection, you just have to click over this add new connection, and here you have to click over this connect with Facebook lead ads. And as I have already logged in my Facebook account, it is asking me to select it. So I'm going to just click over this continue button, and afterwards again I'm going to click over this continue button. So make sure to firstly log in your Facebook account for building a smoother connection. And if you haven't logged in your Facebook account, then Pabbly will firstly ask you to log in it. And here as my connection is built in, we are getting these both fields. So the first field we are getting is for selecting the page name from where I want to get my leads. So on my Facebook account, you can see this is the page which I'm going to select, that is Digital Dynamics, from where I want to to get my new leads. So from this drop down, I'm going to select my page name as Digital Dynamic. So now let me search for it, and here I'm getting this page, so I have selected it. And afterwards it is asking me to select my lead gen form. So here I'm going to select my lead gen form as lead form 2, as I want to receive the leads of only this particular form. And if you want to receive the leads of all the forms created under this particular page, then you can even select all lead gen forms also. But now let me select my form, and afterwards I'm going to select my response format as simple, so that I can get the response in simple format. Now we just have to click over the save and send test request, and here you can check out that its status is changed to waiting for webhook response. Now for providing the webhook response, we have to do the test submission, means we have to receive a new lead over our Facebook lead ads form. So for that, let's move on towards my Meta for Developers page, where we are going to fill our Facebook lead ads form. So here I'm landed to my Meta for Developers page, which you can get by tapping this URL, that is developers.facebook.com. and here on the resources we are getting this option for developer tools, which you have to select. And here on the developer tools page, I'm going to select this tool, that is lead ads RU debug tool, which will lead to me lead ad testing tool page, where I'm going to select my page, that is the Digital Dynamics. So now let me search for it, and here I'm getting this page, so I'm going to select it. Now let me select my form as lead form 2, which I have recently selected. And now I have to delete my previous lead, because I can create only one lead per form as I'm working on the test mode. And afterwards we just have to click over this preview form button, and here I'm getting my form, which I'm going to fill again. So here I'm going to select my service as website design, and now let's select the best time to contact us anytime. Now let's click over this continue button, and now I'm going to fill this form. So here I have filled this form, providing first name as new, last name as lead, email as new @pabblytudes.com, and here I have entered the phone number, and the company name I have provided is Chatflow. Now let's click over this continue and submit button for submitting our Facebook lead ads form, which is successfully submitted. Now we just have to move on towards our Pabbly Connect to check whether my Pabbly Connect is fetching the data of this particular lead or not. So here I'm landed to my Pabbly Connect, where you can see we have received this response 29 seconds ago, that is response A, and this response consists of all the fields which I have recently filled over my Facebook lead ads form. So this shows that we have successfully integrated our trigger app, as we are receiving all the response. And now by using this response, I'm going to create a new contact over my Pabbly chat flow. So I'm going to use my next principle, that is going to be the action app. So here I'm going to select my first action app, that is Pabbly chat flow, and you can have many action applications, but you can have only one trigger application. And afterwards I'm going to select my app event, that is absurd contact, which will help me to create a new contact. And now we just have to click over this connect button, and here I'm landed to the connection page, where for building the new connection you have to enter this token. And for getting this token, let's move on towards my Pabbly Chatflow account. So here on the all Pabbly apps page, I'm going to access my Pabbly Chatflow, and here I'm landed to the dashboard page of Pabbly Chatflow, where make sure to add your WhatsApp number. And if you haven't added your WhatsApp number, then you can just click over this add WhatsApp number button, and by using these options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect, you can add your WhatsApp number. And if you want a description of adding WhatsApp number to the Pabbly Chatflow account, then go and check the video given on the description. Now for getting the token, you just have to move towards the settings, where you will see this option of API in webhooks, which you have to select. And here I'm landed to this page, where you can see this is the API which is required for building the connection between Pabbly Chatflow and Pabbly Connect. So now let me copy this API token, and now let's move on towards my Pabbly Connect, where I'm going to paste this token. Now we just have to click over the save button, and here you can see that my connection has been built in so smoothly, and we are getting all these fields. So the first field we are getting is for entering the mobile number. So now I'm going to show you a method by using which you don't have to manually type the number like this. You can just automate this process. So for that we have to map these data. Now you might be wondering, what is this mapping? So mapping is basically inserting the data from the previous step, so that you don't have to enter your values again and again, as mapping makes the field dynamic and typing the data will be static. So this dynamic data will be changed as the new responses will be received. Means as soon as you will receive a new lead over your Facebook lead ads form, the mobile number of that lead will be automatically changed, and you don't have to do any manual work. And for mapping the fields, you just have to select this slash symbol, and here we are getting our previous application, that is Facebook lead ads. So from the response of the Facebook lead ads, I'm going to map the phone number of my lead, and afterwards we are getting this field for allow duplicate. So I'm going to select it as yes, override with update, means override if any update is there. And now we are getting this field for entering the name. So now I'm not going to manually enter it, as I'm going to map it. So here I have mapped the first name of my lead, provided the space, and I'm going to map the last name of my lead. So here I have mapped it, and now we are getting this field for providing the tag to this particular contact. So you can can provide tags from here, but I'm going to leave it blank. And for this field that is opt-in, I'm going to select true, and for this field of the incoming block, I'm going to select false. And now we're getting this field for attribute names. Means if you want to add any kind of attribute such as company name or any other thing, so for that you just have to enable this map button, and here I'm going to enter the attribute name which I want to add in this particular contact. Now let's say I'm going to add this attribute, that is company name, so I'm going to type it. And as I have entered this attribute name, a particular field is created for this particular attribute. And now here I'm going to map the company name which I have recently received in my response of the Facebook lead ad. So here I'm going to map this company name. So by using this attribute field, you can add many other information about your contact. Now we just have to click over the save and send test request. And here you can see I'm receiving a positive response and my contact has been successfully saved. And here I'm going to move towards this contact page. And here you can see the total number of contact is upgraded to 5. And here you can check out this contact which we have recently created, having the same phone number and the name which I have recently entered. And here you can see the source that is added by API. So now you can see that we have successfully created our contact. And now I want to notify my team regarding this particular contact. So for that, I'm going to use my next action app, that is going to be the Slack, by using which I'm going to notify my team. And here I'm getting this application. And now let's select the app event as send channel message. Now let's click over this connect button, and here for building a new connection, you just have to click over this connect with Slack, and here it's asking me to enter the token type. So for getting the token type, you can visit this documentation given on the help desk, but for now I'm going to enter my token type as user. So now let me enter it. So here I'm going to enter my token type as user. Now let's click over the save button, and afterwards I'm going to allow the access as my data is saved with Pabbly. And here I'm going to just click over this allow button, and as I have selected it, my connection has been built in so smoothly, and it is asking me to select my channel ID. So here I'm going to select my this channel, that is new lead alerts, where I want to send the lead details. So here I'm going to select my channel ID as new lead alerts. So now let me search for it, and here I'm getting my channel which I have selected, and afterwards it is asking me to enter the message. So here I'm going to enter the message which I want to send to my team. So here I'm going to send this message to my team, and here I'm going to map the lead details. So now let's map it. So here I have mapped all my lead details, and now I don't have to manually change it again and again as I have mapped all these details. Now we are getting all these fields which are not necessary, so I'm going to just click over the save and send test request, and here we are receiving a positive response which demonstrates that a message might be sent to my team. So here I'm landed to my Slack account, where you can see I'm successfully receiving this message, and here I'm getting the same lead details, that is name is new lead, email is new@pabblytunes.com. So now you have seen an amazing automation for the lead generation. So you can also create an automation like this for any business you are running by using Pabbly Connect. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Connect now and automate your whole work process so that you can save up a lot of your time. So you can focus on growth of your business and not on these manual tasks. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Connect now, and I have provided the link of the workflow in the description. So make sure to check it out if you face any doubts or challenges. And make sure to use the coupon code STUYT before buying any of our Pabbly product, either it's Pabbly Connect or Pabbly Chatflow. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this integration, you can build many more amazing automations like this by just using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to explore pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then like, share and subscribe our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.